In this tutorial I will show you how you can compare an as-built survey to a design. For this particular example we have an as-built survey open. It shows a grid of levels on a concrete slab. So I'll now open up the design of the concrete slab as a background model, which I'll show in magenta. So the magenta line shows the outline of the concrete slab. This model has been triangulated to show the finished surface of the concrete slab. By selecting the Set Out button, I can select the option to show height difference for a background model. So when I click on a point, we can see the height differences: 1 mil, 11 mil, 15 mil below, 13 mil below. For this particular example, we have a construction tolerance of plus or minus 10 mil. So I'm going to use Isopachytes so you can visually show areas that are out of tolerance. So from the display drop down menu, I'm going to select Isopachytes, Isopachite styles. So we're going to use depth shading. So I'm going to specify 3 different ranges. The first range will show where the concrete slab is lower than the 10 mil tolerance. So I'm going to specify a range of minus a metre and minus 10 mil. So I'm going to show that in blue. Second range is where the as-built levels are within tolerance. So the range for that will be minus 10 mil and plus 10 mil. I'll show that as green. The third range will be where the as-built levels are greater than 10 mil above the design levels. So the range will be between 10 mil and a metre. I will show that in red. Also, we must ensure that we have a suitable isopachite interval. So for this example we've got 1 millimetre, so the depths are calculated every millimetre. So from the show menu, select Isopachytes, whereby redraw. We can now see that the as-built survey has been shaded up with the 3 colours that we specified in the ranges. So the green area shows where the slab is within tolerance, within plus 10 mil and minus 10 mil. The blue areas, so where the as-built shows the slab being more than 10 mil below the design, and the red areas where the slab is 10 mil or above the design.